When you go to any doctor or a dentist, you want to make sure that you're dealing with someone who is respected in their field. We had recently just moved to Texas, and we needed to find a new dentist. And my husband has a really hard time with dentists, so I was looking for somebody that did sedation. Going through dentist after dentist, I was never really comfortable with dentists. They never really talked to me about what I needed. It was always like, let's address this problem because it's now a problem. He went over each tooth, which is something no dentist has ever done. He really talks about your wellness of your mouth and not just your teeth. How do you breathe? You know, do you sleep well at night? What does your smile mean to you? And I think that's really important, especially as you get older and stuff. Our teeth change, our body changes, and that was something that I hadn't had with my previous dentist. Dr. Cutbirth explained I could get everything I wanted to have done in one sitting. It was just an easy process, and he explained and walked me through exactly how I was going to feel. And like I said, I'd only experienced IV sedation once before, and this was even a totally different experience. The assistants were great, administering it, being in the room with you, making sure you were warm. If you come to this office, first of all, the moment you're greeted, every single person is clued into you. It's not like they're rushing you through. They always have time to sit down and talk to you. Dr. Cutbirth's office is so professional, but they take it a step further. If you ever have a fear of a dentist, this is the place to go to. From the time you walk in the door, you're made comfortable. If you're looking for a dentist that's going to give you all the care and professionalism, come see Dr. Cutbirth. He's the dentist you want to look at, not just you, your family.